Hello, I'm Jinali. I'm a software engineer here at 4D Robotics Corporation. The products we are building operate 24/7 in outdoor environments 365 days per year. One challenge our products need to achieve is to safely and reliably detect objects. There are many reasons why this is important, such as unmanned vehicle object detection and avoidance, or warning driver that their vehicle may collide with the pedestrian. No single sensor has the capability to overcome this challenge. In this video, I'm going to describe to you how we combine data using AI and sensor fusion from a variety of sensors to detect human objects. Our solution will detect hundreds of objects, but for this example, I have decided to concentrate only on human objects. To explain this process, I'm going to use data from a RGB camera, a 3D LiDAR, and a thermal camera. If you think this video was interesting, then please like it and follow us.